ready to turn website visitors into happy, chatting customers. Let's get started adding a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Apps section. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's search for a WhatsApp chat app in the Shopify App Store. There are several great options available. For this tutorial, we're going to use the WhatsApp Chat Plus customer service app, but feel free to explore other options based on your needs. Click the Install button to add the app to your store. You'll be prompted to grant the necessary permissions. Next, configure the app settings. The most important thing is to enter your WhatsApp phone number. This is where your customers will be directed when they click the button. Now, customize the button's appearance. You can change the color to match your brand, adjust the position on the page, and even customize the initial message customers see when they start a chat. And that's it. Your WhatsApp button should now be live on your Shopify store, allowing customers to instantly connect with you. By adding a WhatsApp button, you're not only improving customer service but also unlocking increased sales potential through convenient and direct communication. Give it a try and watch your customer engagement soar.